Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start immediately by securing safety gear and protecting trim. This prevents damage and inhalation. Once done, test a solvent spot so you know which chemical softens the paint without affecting seals. Use a plastic scraper first to lift loose flakes, then apply acetone sparingly to a microfiber, press for 30-60 seconds, and let the solvent break the bond. Make sure to work from the edges toward the center. This keeps shards minimal and reveals how stubborn the paint is. Once the test responds, move to concentrated removal. Gently warm the paint to soften it, but make sure to keep the gun moving so the glass doesn't crack. Then, using a razor at roughly a 30 degrees angle or a plastic blade if preferred, slice under softened paint in steady strokes. The why is simple: angle reduces scratching while lifting the film. When you hit resistance, pause and reapply solvent or heat, and wipe away softened particles so you always work on clean glass. You finish by removing any haze and adhesive. Clean with alcohol, then polish with a mild cerium oxide paste to restore clarity. Once done, make sure to rinse and dry thoroughly so no solvent residue remains near seals. Dispose of rags in a metal container and ventilate the area. Safety matters as much as finish quality. If flakes remain, one key troubleshooting tip: replace the blade or repeat the solvent plus heat cycle carefully, and if glass scratches, stop and seek pro help.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.